From somebody who's been running his own clothing brand the past 8 years, I've done hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. I want to share with you how you can start up a clothing brand with absolutely zero risk to you. Zero pain, zero agony, and zero stress. There is only upside to this strategy when it comes to how you're starting up your clothing brand. Not only that, it's super fast. You could have your clothing brand up within a couple of weeks, and you'll also be able to have a legit clothing brand. So all that you have to do here is just take some notes, follow along, and follow this step by step in order to start up your own legit clothing brand quickly with zero risk to you. Here's a little secret for you. The biggest risk when you start up a clothing brand is your financial investment in your website and in your inventory. A lot of new clothing brands, when they get started, get carried away with this, and they'll invest literally hundreds of thousands of dollars into inventory, and they don't even have proof of concept yet. Or they'll hire a coder to custom code this crazy website that they just straight up didn't need to spend money on. And when you're first starting up a brand, this is particularly risky because you don't have any proof of concept yet. You haven't even really gotten out there to sell your clothing yet. So to invest all of this money in inventory and to invest all of this money into a website is just ridiculous. It's completely unnecessary. Another thing to keep in mind here is that most of what helps you get sales for your clothing is actually just in the brand building anyways. A lot of clothing brand owners get caught up on the product and the designs and the specifics of the materials, which is obviously a really important component of your brand. But the biggest component to your being able to sell a lot of clothing and to make a lot of sales for your brand is just simply in the brand building a cool brand on social media, getting cool people to wear your clothing, getting it on high status people, and all the little intangibles, nuanced social value things that you're doing with your brand. And so you can still have a completely legitimate looking brand from the outside where people are making a ton of sales, and you don't have to have all of this crazy inventory on the back end and all of this gigantic team in order to make that happen. What I'm about to share with you here is the common sense way that I recommend you start up a clothing brand right now in 2024 going into 2025. This will save you so much money. It'll save you so much time. It'll take a lot of the stress off of your hands, and it'll allow you to focus on marketing and building the brand. Before we get into it, Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at Design Crowd, and if you struggle with designs, I seriously recommend that you try them out. You post a project on Design Crowd, sick designers from all over the world are going to compete for your project. You choose the winner, then you get that design plus revisions. I've sold thousands of these designs that you're looking at on my website, and I got them all made through Design Crowd. If you're interested, head over to designcrowd.com/apparel to learn about the special offer that I have for you, or just use the discount code apparel when you post a project on Design Crowd. All right, let's do this here. The first big thing that you need for your clothing brand in order to get it off the ground is a website. And rather than investing tens of thousands of dollars into some custom site, I really recommend that you just use a free theme on Shopify. You can set up a Shopify account for like $29 a month or something. If you look at the back end of my Shopify account, I've been paying around $58 every month for a while. Some months it spikes, some months it doesn't. And that's just because I've got apps integrated into my Shopify account as well. But a basic plan on Shopify will be very, very low cost for you, and you can just use a free theme. The best part about using these free themes to create your website is that it's literally just plug and play. You just upload your logo and it goes into the right places. You upload your photos, your videos, your products, all of the customer-facing media that you want to create an impression with your site. You basically just drag and drop into this theme, and you'll have a website up in no time. Also, another great part about using Shopify themes is that they have a structure that they know works. So the risk of creating your own custom crazy website is that you end up creating a website that actually has sort of like a bad navigation to it. Like it's sort of hard to navigate and people don't really know where to look for things. And so when you use a Shopify theme, whether it's free or a paid one, it'll likely already have a flow to it that is built in to reduce friction, to create the best shopping experience possible, and your online store is just going to be set up and looking nice within no time. Another huge component of your clothing brand when you're first getting started is actually making the products that you're going to sell to your customers. And what a lot of clothing brands do is they invest in a crazy amount of inventory. They take it all in their own hands, just like I did when I first started up, packing all the orders, getting all the inventory in-house and doing all of that. And as much as you can take that option if you want, I highly recommend when you're first getting started, just using a print on demand option. A print on demand option like Printful or Printify. What this is going to allow you to do is anytime an order comes in, there's a third party service that prints the clothing for you. They ship it out to your customers and you don't have to handle any of it. Now, like I said, you don't have to do this. If you're creating a custom private label clothing brand with little tiny details you're putting into each piece, you can totally carry inventory and that's cool. And if you do hold inventory, I really recommend ordering the minimum order quantity, as little inventory as possible, selling through it, then reinvesting in more inventory rather than taking this huge risk on a whack load of inventory. But the best part about using a print-on-demand provider like Printful or Printify is that you practically don't pay anything on a monthly basis to use them as a third-party logistics company, and you basically only pay as orders are coming in and as they're being sent out for your brand. So this is why this is such a low-risk method. You could literally just fire up a website, connect Printful or Printify to it, upload all of your products, and then just get marketing. Just getting your brand out there and building up your brand value. On Printful, Printify, whatever print-on-demand service you decide to use, you can also order samples before you start selling them to see what the product quality is like. You can pick from a variety of different hoodies, from lower quality to really high quality, and you can put custom labels on it just like you would if you were carrying it all in-house, and it just keeps getting better and better every year. And so that's why I recommend going that route for somebody who's just getting started. It just takes all of the risk off of your hands. I mean, really, truly think about this. If you use print on demand, you take all of the financial risk off of your hands. So you're not investing in a crazy amount of inventory. When orders come in, they get sent out. Not only that, you're taking all of the order fulfillment, packing orders, sending them out to customers, all of the inventory management, actually receiving the inventory and organizing it all and structuring it all and buying the boxes and buying the shipping labels and shipping it out, taking it out to the shipping carrier. You don't even need to do any of that anymore. You're taking all of that off of your hands. What else is there even really to do while running a brand? Well, now you can focus on marketing your brand, the brand building, getting on influencers, building up your brand value, building some sort of following online, and all of your bandwidth, all of your effort and time can go into those really true high value behaviors that are going to get you the best returns. And so if you're starting up a clothing brand, there are so many different ways that you could go about it. You could order inventory from a third party to your place and pack all the orders yourself. You could buy a heat press machine and make all of the clothing from home yourself, or you could use print on demand. But in my mind, I've seen the quality of a lot of these print-on-demand providers, and they're actually pretty good. Like if you were to get it made from a local screen printing facility, or if you were to heat press it at home, it's not like it would be leagues above what you're probably going to get if you just pay a little bit more to these print-on-demand services. The only downside about using print-on-demand is that you do tend to lose a little bit of profit if you are selling through all the inventory, because there are little fees and things that add up within print-on-demand. But it's just such a great option to get started. You can always transition into carrying inventory in the future once you've proven the concept and once you've got, thousands of sales rolling in, and you're like, okay, now I've really proved this and that it works. Let's get the cost down. Let's bring it all in-house and let's turn this into a well-oiled machine. You can totally do that. But you can also just start with print on demand and smack it out of the park as well. So that is my extremely low risk recommendation for anybody starting up a clothing brand who wants to get it off the ground quickly, start making sales, start making some money, and just try this thing out. And I hope that helps. If you're thinking about starting up a brand, you're already running one, check out the Apparel Success Mastermind. It's a monthly subscription where you get direct access to me, access to a community of other clothing brand owners. We do exclusive live streams in there every month, and you get access to all of my courses. If you're interested, head over to apparelsuccessmastermind.com. You can learn more. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.